Hello, we're back from the beach. I have a thrift haul, sort of flea market, and a thrift haul, and an item from Marshall's. This was from Anchor Thrift, $2. It's one of those village light things with 3 plugs on it. We're always using these, for all kinds of things. You can't even second guess. So $2 for that's pretty good. Oh, good. Now all the airplanes and stuff are going to come flying over. We got these self-closing hinges because they're nice chrome ones, and they were only $5 for this whole bag. Cabinet closers. Those are nice.
Mm-hmm. They're handy.
Yeah.
We've used them.
Yeah, we've used lots of hinges, lots of handles. We just sort of collect them. That was at Anchor, and then Mr. Retro's got these babies. Screws, 49 cents.
Leave them down there, but that's all right.
Oh, well, you can drag them down next week. So there's those, and what else did I get from them? I got this. I think I've had that. This is vintage acetate, satin acetate with flocked flowers on it. I thought it'd be good for dolls. It's 99 cents from Anchor, so that's not too bad. And did I get these from those guys? Yes, I got these zippers from them. Yeah. Little bag. I'm running low on zippers, so I'm scrounging for new zippers. So that's okay. Every one of my space seats needs a zipper. So, speaking of zippers, I went to Thrift City. They had 30% off everything, so I got all these babies. They were all 79 cents, so 30% off is 79 cents. One of these zippers is pretty good. Well, that one was 75. So that's it. So I've replenished my zippers. I really like these old ones. Well, this isn't a very good example. When you can find these old ones with the really small pulls, because a lot of them, oh, here's one, that's a good one. A lot of them, if they have big ones, I replace them with a ring, with a metal ring or something, because I don't like these ugly big jobbies. So that's my zipper story for today. Put them back in my zipper carrying bag. And, Dollar Store down there had this. It's kind of strange to have this fancy case for this just material. It's just a kind of a pinky brown lip color. It's not a gloss. It's supposed to be mousse, matte mousse. It's okay. For $1, it's okay. I wouldn't want to pay any more. And it comes with this goofy little case. And let's see. Oh, I got this at the Dollar Tree down there too, just because I'm always running out of these colors. So I'm going to stick this in my work area up here. And let's see. Then I went to, this was from Anchor Thrift. This was $4. It's an I think it's RJ Graziano watch. It's really nice. They sell this on HSN. And so, I went and got a battery. The battery cost more than the watch. So I paid $4 for this. I think the battery was $5. But it works now, and it's really nice. And it's like, I just wear it like a bracelet. It's a nice watch. Heavy. And, I got this at Thrift City. This is a Sarah Coventry vintage pendant. I thought it was sort of snazzy in a vintagey way. So it was 30% off of $3.29. So that was pretty nice. And then, where did I get this? $4.99. Oh, I got this at Anchor. Yeah, cool. I paid $5, but it's really neat. I've never seen one, or cool. I don't remember seeing one like this. CSC. I don't think there's anything else on it. Yeah, it's just a, It's just a souvenir cup, a gift from the Seattle World's Fair for the coffee break of, and then you can put a name there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Mr. Retros, right there. See, it's not glazed, so you can write on it with that.
Oh, good.
Remember those awful black crayon pencils they had at Prairie Market?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Sometimes
wax
places still
pencils, they
use
called them, yeah.
Right. Turn around.
And then it's got this needle
That's cool. Coliseum.
The
what's
Coliseum.
other thing? You
Is that
can't
the
see it.
fountain?
Maybe it was the internet. I
I don't-
can't see it.
I don't know what that is.
Science
And then this is
Center.
the Science Center things.
I can't see it through the camera.
Oh, it's,
Anyway, it's cool.
yeah. I don't know what this thing is.
Jeez.
See? I don't know what that is.
I don't know.
We'll have to go down and look. Yeah, it's so fun to drive down there by this, especially in the summertime.
Oh,
It's-
yeah.
Gosh, it's a lot of fun. Not happening. And let's see. Then I got this at the Goodwill. Oh, I got a Starbucks cup too. One of the tall ones for $2. But I left it at the beach. But this one, I've never seen this one before. Let me see if it's marked. No, I don't think there's any marking on it. I can't get this off. Let me see. No. It's got a little chip here, but I'm gonna use it. It's got a chip there too. I'm just gonna use it for display, so it's kind of neat. It sort
Yeah.
of has SpongeBob vibes.
Hmm.
So I like that. And
Topanga.
Topanga, yeah. I wish it was Topanga. Then there's this sail that these guys set up at this fishing shack that used to be a cannery, and their grandfather built it. It's really cool.
A couple blocks from our place.
Yeah, it's
Not
right on the
far.
river. It's really neat.
It
It's just,
used to be a tannery. They opened in the 20s.
yeah,
And then, I don't know how long it went till the 70s or 80s.
yeah. And they, so we bought these off them. I don't think, we didn't pay that, but we wanted to put these on the car because they're cool. They're for
Yeah.
cool. They're cool. Look,
To
it
us.
doesn't even have the area code,
Right, don't
So
need it.
awesome.
Right.
Yeah, you don't need the area code. Backport out, it's so cool. Glad to get that. Then I got this thing from him.
I'm not sure what that is.
I don't
Probably
know.
corn or something?
No, I don't know.
I don't
It's
know.
really cool. Maybe
What's
it's
that
like an air
metal?
raid horn. It's metal, but it kind of has RH vibes. It looks like it's brass. Yeah, see,
Whatever.
you can kind of scratched off there. I don't know, but I'm going to put it on the mantle because it kind of has RH vibes going on it. I don't know what he charged me for that. And, oh, this I got too because I really like
Old
it.
level.
It's an
Yeah,
old
that's
level,
cool.
and it says hypertension, diureal,
Yeah,
I don't know, lowers and levels blood pressure. Oh, it's a drug
Yeah, complimentary level.
diureal.
Huh.
It's neat though. I like the look of it, and I thought that kind
It's
of
kinda
went with
in
that.
Alaska.
Yeah. There's a story about everything down there. It's fabulous.
Yeah.
It's the stories I hear are just amazing.
It
And
used to be quite a town.
it used to be a big town there, but the river changed and it wiped it out. And these,
They fished out the clams.
yeah, this is famous for those razor clams, those big long things like that.
Palace.
Palace, and people do still dig them now. But he had a whole bin of these. I bought 2 of them. He goes, "Well, you don't know what that is?" Oh no, I don't know what that is. It's a little glass rolling pin. We grew up on the Sound here, and we used to see floats all the time. But this is a Japanese float that they put on the
Yeah.
nets in between. See the net
And they just
string would
net
go
it right
here, and they'd net it all the way around with these. We're used to seeing the round ones in the
Yeah, the balls.
rope, the balls, yeah, of all different kinds. So I've never seen these, but it's nice. It has lots of, they were hand blown.
He claimed his dad got him in the 40s. They came
Yeah.
ashore. That's what he claimed.
That's what he said. He said when the storms would come out, all the locals would be along
Yeah.
the beach grabbing
Hit the
stuff.
beach right away.
Because it's right there. There's a Gulf Stream that comes up to this area from Japan and hits the shore or the coast. But this is really neat. They're hand blown. There's the pontal on the end there from where they blew it out. Yeah,
That's cool.
yeah, it's really
You
cool.
bought, how many did you get?
I got 2. They were
Oh,
$10 a
2,
piece,
yeah.
but I love them.
Yeah.
And see, I can put them like this, see? Oh, look at all this beautiful beach glass I found.
I found that
and a float.
right after a storm.
I found this on the river. And this I found
At the dollar
in
store.
Aberdeen. No, I found it in Aberdeen. So, and then he had this set. I love this
cool.
set. It's fabulous. I got this set for $10. It's got Calypso people on it. It's darling. It's good. Look at this. And it's Thrift Store 3. I don't care. I'm going to do a display on the bar with it.
I can't believe he had these.
I know. They're putting out new stuff all the time. I
And
should have
it's just
stopped
old
again
crap
yesterday.
put outside in front
Yeah.
of this old shack.
Then they sleep in a tent, one of them, and they just leave it out all night and stuff.
Yeah.
And they keep dragging more stuff out. It's fabulous.
Yeah, it's really cool.
It's just like a really cool thing. And then look, it has the decanter with it, which is extra special. It has a nice other man here and a cute girl here.
Yeah, is that the right top? No.
Uh,
I've never seen that before.
I've seen this motif on wall hangings. I've actually done some wall hangings with this guy on it. And there's a lady that this gal goes with. It's really cute. So that's neat. And that's all the thriftage. Then I went to the Marshalls down there. These stores aren't as cool here as other places. I got this candle holder for $7.99, but this isn't. Now I can't remember what this is called. It's not a, maybe it says, oh, selenite here. It's a huge vibration crystal.
Wow.
Clarity of mind. Oh, that's
Oh,
good.
good.
Oh, yay.
Thank God.
I could have used that this morning. I thought it would be nice with a candle in there. It probably look, they sell big cylinders of it like that long at Home Goods too.
It's cool.
Yeah, and I'm gonna try and make a borax geode. So
Crystals.
stay tuned. My own crystal, because I've only found that one here. It's slim pickings. So that's what I've got. So I'll see you later. Cheers. Bye-bye. I'm back again. Sorry. We forgot these. They were out in the car. The guy gave us these. This was from that little tiny fish shack cannery.
Yeah.
These were the labels for the cans.
Yeah.
Isn't that great?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, and it was, it's like 3 generations of people.
Right. Great grandfather started it in the 20s.
So I don't know when these were from, but
I don't know.
he gave us that one and he gave us this one too. It's for the, the larger can, like
Clams.
can of clams.
Steamer clams.
Steamer, yeah.
And they used to chuck them and pack them right in that little building, and then they had a big chute that would shoot all the waste out into the river.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah. Well, then the animals would eat the stuff, the whatever's leftover stuff. So I thought that was kind of neat. We're gonna put a frame on these and put them up down at the beach. I thought it was kind of neat. But there's I don't think there's any plants that do this down there now.
No.
There's Lytle's Oyster Place up by Shores.
Yeah, that's 109.
Yeah, but this is long gone. It's too bad, but it's neat we have these. So, okay, goodbye.